Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. So today we are gonna explore Pakistan Pavilion at Dubai Expo. As many of you know, the Expo is an event that brings together countries from around the globe to showcase their culture, innovation and achievements. And Dubai Expo is the perfect stage for Pakistan to showcase its culture. From the moment you step in, you will be transported to Pakistan. Pakistan Pavilion, which is, you can say, a reflection of its heritage. As we enter the pavilion, there is a sense of awe and wonder as we are greeted by a fusion of traditional and modern architecture. The pavilion is a representation of what Pakistan stands for, its stunning landscapes to its vibrant traditions. The pavilion will take visitors on a journey through the heart and soul of the country. The pavilion boasts of unique handicrafts, delicious cuisine, and a sneak peek into Pakistan's tourism industry. Overall, I can say the Pakistan Pavilion was a wonderful representation of what Pakistan has to offer to the world.
कहानी सुनो, जुबानी सुनो, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था।